how to use Leonardo AI. So if you want to go ahead and use Leonardo AI, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to leonardoai.com, and once you're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Launch App. Now what this does is it basically takes you in to the actual sign in section. Now I am already signed up, so it's going to take me straight to the home. Now once we're over here, basically there's a lot of features that you can use. Okay, the main AI tools are image generation, motion capture, real-time canvas, real-time generation, canvas editor, and universal upscaler. So there's different things that you can create for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go over to image generation, all right? And once we come to image generation, we can go ahead and generate anything through the prompt. Okay, we have settings on the left hand side as well. So let's say I'm going to choose the preset from cinematic keynote to, let's say I'm going to go over ahead to concept art, or let's go with anime. Okay, that seems pretty cool. Once we go with anime, you're going to come to type a prompt, and here you can add any prompt like let's say Musashi fighting, and once we write this, we're going to click on generate. So we have Musashi fighting Genghis Khan. Okay, so it's pretty random and it's pretty out of nowhere, but obviously it's a prompt, and AI's whole purpose is to deliver the prompt that you have written. So as we can see, it took around 12 to 13 seconds, and look at that. How cool and incredible does that look? So basically, this is how you're going to be using Leonardo AI for yourself. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.